signals for today. So yeah, there's pretty much nothing that went on yesterday. We ended up with we had an inside bar on the Monday, and then we had an engulfing bar. So markets are still kind of in limbo. We do have the Feds coming out with their stimulus package later on. Yeah, it's very difficult to read because we do have the European Union that came out with their stimulus package, and we had a little bit of a move to the upside, and then we've just sort of fizzled out. So I think everybody has got their eyes on the USA at the moment. Okay, so this level is again the key level to watch out for, which is 12,881, and we sort of haven't managed to break through it 3 days in a row. And you can see there it is there. Yesterday, price action was pretty weird because we had this indecision bar again. You can see indecision. Then we had a pretty bearish bar down to the gap that was open, closed the gap, and now we rallied a bit and we've come back, and then we've got another sort of small inside bar forming at the moment. I'm not convinced either way. So I'm not convinced that we've got longs or shorts setting up at the moment. As far as I'm concerned, we are sideways. And if we come down to the hour, you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, it's pretty clear that we are sideways here. So if I do that, and we adjust that higher to there's our sideways motion. And we may drop a little bit lower. We may even get a short that would give us a target of this range break. So in other words, break, retest, and then a move to down here. But I do believe they're just going to offer value for the buyers. So the bulls are going to be waiting lower down for this. They're not really going to be chasing it now because we're going to wait for the Feds. The bears are going to try to take opportunities here. And any rejection of a level, they're going to jump in because they know that the bulls aren't in the market at the moment. Or let's put it this way, the bulls aren't actively in the market. The bulls are definitely still in the market. They haven't sold out. So they're still holding on to positions from down here, and on every pullback where they bought in. You can see there's a clear indication that the bulls came in there. Here's another one that came in there. There's more here. Okay. And there's even more in this area here. So yeah, my view right now is sit on hands, wait for this to play out, and then look for the opportunities. At the moment, we're range bound. I'm not interested in chasing any longs or shorts until the Feds are finished with their meeting tonight. So today is really a quiet day. I think maybe on the some of the forex pairs, not the dollar pairs, but some of the other forex pairs, there may be one or two opportunities there. But in general, I think the whole market is very quiet at the moment and in limbo. Okay, so for me, I'm sitting on hands, not really interested in trading any of this today, and we'll wait for tonight and see what transpires tonight. Anyway, I hope it helps you, and we will catch up with you later. Cheers for now.